Hi, I am Dmitry.
Hi, I'm Igor.
I am CEO of Guru.
I am CTO, and we have known each other for 5 years because we worked together in our previous startup.
Yes, this year my 10 friends come with me and with questions where to invest money. And the idea of copy trading came up. We interviewed 550 people and confirmed our hypothesis. People said that we want to investment ideas, we want to compare our thoughts with professional forecast, but in conclusion, we understand one thing that people only need the button earn money. Therefore, they have a full-time job and no time for making any analysis.
Now we are working on the app where retail investors can automatically copy trade section to gain the same profitability. 5 December we launch the app.
The first, we will start working with cryptocurrency market because it's easy and quickly validate our hypothesis, and then go to the stock market by our partners. And our purpose is to get 500 paid users in May 2022. That's all. Thank you. See you later. Bye.